Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So we know that SEBI Grade A Phase 1 examination is on 10th of January, and this video is a small gentle reminder because as a part of this video we are going to see 4 things that you must carry in exam center. So before we discuss these things, just a small announcement. So basically, if you want to know how EduTap can help you as a part of your preparation, you can go to a website and you can check out the courses that we provide. For example, we have launched this Phase 2 test series. As a part of this test series, you will be getting the chapter-wise mock test, current affair mock test, full and mock test, and solve PYQs also. Apart from that, we have this another top-up too, where you can get exclusive more than 4,000 MCQs in the form of chapter-wise mock test and the full and mock test, right? So for rest of the details, you can go to a website by clicking over the link that is provided in the description box, which is basically edutab.in, right? So let us move forward and let us see the things that you need to carry in exam center. And of course, the first and the foremost thing is the admit card. So please make sure that you are downloading your admit card in a timely manner. डोंट वेट फॉर द लास्ट मोमेंट में कभी वेबसाइट काम नहीं करती, कभी प्रिंट आउट की शॉप नहीं मिलती है, कोई भी रीजन हो सकता है, राइट? सो प्लीज डाउनलोड इट इन अ टाइमली मैनर. दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. The second thing is, of course, you also need to have photo, right? Because you have to affix the photo on the call letter, right? So please have a photograph, and this should be the same photograph that you had basically used while filling the application form. The same photograph that you had uploaded in the application form, that photograph you have to use for the admit card also, right? So you have to affix it over there, and please make sure that the photo is same. Apart from that, carry some extra photographs too for the emergency. So try to have 1 to 2 extra photographs, and that should suffice. The next is ID proof also in original as well as photocopy, and these are the ID proofs that you can carry. Any one of them, of course. So PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport, voter card, all such kind of things you can carry. But please make sure that you can carry a driving license also, but the permanent one, not the temporary driving license, which is the learner's driving license, and the ration card also. That is also not allowed, right? So except these two things, you can carry any of them. So that is going to be your ID proof, and please carry the original ID proof as well as the photocopy of the same, right? So make sure that you carry that. Now the next thing is ballpoint pen. This is also something that is mentioned as a part of a admit card. You need to carry a ballpoint pen. कोई color तो mention नहीं किया है, बस ballpoint लिखा है तो आपको लेके जाना है. Apart from that, you need to carry your own stamp pad also. ये usually आपको centers में मिल भी जाता है exam center में, but क्योंकि admit card में लिखा हुआ है, so you never know कि यार वहाँ पर क्या situation है. So please try to carry your own if possible, right? So that is the thing. Now the next is basically, this is a summary. So admit card, ballpoint pen plus stamp pad, right? Then apart from that, ID proof in original and photocopy, and if you're carrying a water bottle, make sure that it is the transparent one. So these are the things. I hope it is clear to you. Now all the best from my end, and before I end the video, let me also tell you that how EduTap can help you as a part of your preparation. So you just have to go to a website which is edutab.in, and in the EduTap you can go to the courses section, you can go to all courses section, and you can check it out over here, right? So for example, you can see that we provide courses for EPFO, FCI, IFSCA, IRDI, NABARD, RBI, SEBI, right? So if you go to SEBI option, so you can see that what all do we provide as a part of it, right? So you can definitely check it out. So thank you so much, and all the best for your exam.